Hey guys, just wanted to share a little bit of helpful tip on fixing a Toro leaf blower. It's an electric leaf blower. I'll put the model number in the description. So what I found out is on this area here, right here, there's a little foam pad that, where is it? I tossed it because it was deteriorated. Anyways, there's a foam pad on the switch. This is a safety switch so that your fingers don't get caught into the impeller. Whenever you're working on these things, you got to take the impeller off because you don't want to necessarily cut your fingers off or mess it up. That's one problem, because the foam wears out and it can't push in this switch when this part is on it, because there's a little peg right here that turns off that switch as a safety thing and keeps the cover on there, so it'll automatically shut it off so it doesn't suck in things into it. Second thing is, right here, there's a spring that pushes the brushes onto the motor. That spring was up here. Same way with the other one. That other spring over there was up there. All I did was I took my Leatherman and I just squeezed the spring that was off that hook and scooted it back onto that little notch right there. Instantly started right up. If you need new brushes, that's where you would actually replace it, but you don't need new brushes. It has to make constant contact on this. That's how a brushed motor works. So it needs to drag on that thing to make the electrical arc to turn the motor. So that being said, that was problem number 2, which was a pretty big deal, because it will not work unless there's pressure behind these brushes, squeezing them in on either side. So hope that helps. You got to take apart like maybe 12 screws, but then again, it's better than buying a new brush. Buying a new blower, which I already did. So that's my second one. It was cheaper, but it's not as powerful. So I'm gonna replace this foam pad here. That's what went on here, and that keeps the weather out. But as you can see, it's gotten deteriorated. So I'll just get some foam that I have laying around, orthopedic foam, and put it back on here. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I do every now and then these tutorials to fix problems. And thank you. Have a good day.